In this session, we will create a dictionary which contains numbers between 1 to n as keys and square of them as values. First, we will collect input n from the users directly. Input, enter n value. We know that input functions returns in a string format, so let's convert into int. Store this into n. We will use dictionary comprehension here. This is a dictionary. We'll start with a for loop using a range for I. In range, starts with 1, comma, n plus 1. So now we'll prepare our data here for dictionary I double asterisk 2. Double asterisk acts as power. Let's print D. When we run this, it will ask for input. I will say 10. Now you notice that the keys are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on till 10, and the values are square of the keys 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36 and so on till 100. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.